let me use for some couple of days, and again I'll get back to you people for review of this C100 TWS. Forgot the name, sorry guys. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Again I have come up with a one more unboxing of this stuff. So for Big Billion Day there was an offer running up with Flipkart, so I thought of ordering some stuff and finally we received it on Tuesday. So my brother gave me this parcel today. So let me unbox this and let me show you people what is there inside this. Happy birthday to Flipkart. Happy birthday to Flipkart. My god. Oh, again inside this there is one more wrap. I hope this will be easy. Yes, I hope you people would have got to know already what is this. So this is a complete sealed one. So on top of this there is a silicone cover. Let me pull this out. Whoa. Pure Bass Zero cable. It's a true wireless headphones or earphones. Actually I thought of purchasing this C100 TWS from quite long period of time. I placed order for one more. That was nice, as you people would be knowing. Last time again it was made in China and I was not so comfortable. If it's made in China also that's fine, but I was not so comfortable with that brand. So I was completely fixed, or I'm mentally fixed, as you people think. So I was very much interested in going for JBL. So finally I have purchased the C100 TWS JBL now. So price of this is 7,999. It's almost like 8,000 rupees, and MRP price, and I paid this for product somewhere around 2,450 rupees or 400 rupees. There are two colors in this. One is white and one more is black. So I thought of going for white, but again if it becomes dirty it looks really very awkward. So black, however, it's like however you use it, if it becomes dirty also. But I need to make sure that I clean it regularly after my workout, because a lot of sweat comes right when I'm doing the workout. So I have to clean this, at least if not daily, every alternate days. None of the brands can beat up JBL. First I felt Sony is really very good. Then I thought of going with JBL. JBL is even like budget friendly, and the item, if something goes wrong, service wise also they are like very good. Because before this I had used JBL once, so I had some issue. Again I took it to service center. They replaced entire headphone, guys, after 8 months. So from company side 1 year, however company warranty will be there. If something goes wrong they won't ask any questions, they'll replace it. I've got two earbuds, and for the charging case and one USB cable. With that I've received some earbuds. So first let me remove this charging case. This is main one. Oh, once I open I can see some 3 LED lights. So right now it's 2 LED lights. The charge is very less. So once I close again I'm able to see 2 LED lights. So let me pull out this earbuds, fix this inside. It's a magnetic one. I think this is getting charged. Yes, there is one LED light which is going to be blinking on the one side of earbud. I think this is right side. No, this is left side and this is right side. So once I close this, the earbuds are getting charged. So here is some manual stuffs and all. So quick start guide, and this is some guidance and how to use. Okay, so this is type C. No, it's a normal one. It's not a type C cable. It's a normal cable which I have received. Okay, let me connect this to my phone and let me check the sound quality of JBL. I have a lot of expectations on JBL, so I'm just waiting to connect this to my phone. On the left side button, the Google Assistants work. On the right side button, maybe pairing works out. Yes, blue light is coming now. Yes, here it is. JWC TWS. This is really very handy and it sits perfectly inside the ear, and almost, if I put this both, it might be like somewhere 2 to 3 grams. And the charging case is really very heavy. This gives like 17 hours of battery backup and 5 hours of this earbuds. So let me listen to this first and let me review this. The sound effect is really very good, and right side button helps me to pause and left side button helps me to change the music. And left side button, if you are holding it for a second or 2 seconds, it directly takes you to Google Assistant. If you say something, that gets connected to that page. The charge is really very less in the buds, and the bass sound is really very good in the speakers, and the quality wise, it's fantastic. I could not feel this quality in some other brands, so only I just returned it back. If you people are regularly following me in YouTube or Instagram, you people would be knowing about what I am speaking and which brand I am speaking about. And this soft corner is completely sitting perfectly inside the ear. They have designed it so well, and the softness of the earbuds are in the next level. This is quite like a matte finishing look, but yes, this is giving a very good feel. And when you're playing the music, especially some of the music like which is melody and which is gives a very good bass. Comfort level wise, in JBL always they give like 100%. It's best. And coming to the sound quality or the irritation, when you hear the music for a quite long period of time, that irritation level won't be there in JBL forever and ever. I'm expecting this. And even with this speaker, the irritation level is not there, because I used it for almost like 10 to 15 minutes. I could not find any irritation. Before this, I used this JBL Wired T110. Even that was like a comfort wise best one. And I used to listen with the music for a quite long period of time, like 1 hour, 1.5 hours. I never used to have any kind of irritation either with speaker or with earbuds. The same feel is there with this also. Let me use for some couple of days, and again I'll get back to you people for review of this C100 TWS. Forgot the name, sorry guys. This is 500 mAh battery, and charging time is like almost 17 hours they have given on the box. And once you put this buds inside this charging case and completely get charged, it might take like half an hour or 45 minutes. After that you can use this for 2 hours or 3 hours. So on box they have given 5 hours. So let's see, I'll take some 2 or 3 days, and again I'll get back to you people for a review of the C100 TWS. JBL has not provided me this earphones for free of cost. This, whatever I have purchased from my pocket. I'm really very much convinced about JBL because I have used from many years. Even the quality wise, they give a very good last. So don't think that I'm praising about JBL a lot or I'm advertising about JBL. No, there is no sponsoring or anything like that. Anyhow guys, thanks for supporting me a lot, and videos are moving in some level. So even the channel is getting somehow improved in the short period of time. Getting 10 or 20 views also, it's really very difficult, but somehow I'm able to get some of the very good views or organic views, I can say. Yes, I'm posting some of the videos in FB page also of CSK Vlogs. So from there also I'm getting some of the genuine subscribers. So if you people like my videos, please do like, share and comment. And first, please do subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Take care. Bye.